Hi, this is teacher Jane Rakap of English Learning Solution. For today, I am going to teach you the TPR. How do we do the TPR? How do we use the TPR and what are the commonly used TPR in the classroom and some examples of it. But first, let us define what is TPR. TPR is defined as total physical response. It is the coordination of your language and your body movement. It is also the connection of your body and your mind. TPR is commonly used for young learners, but it can also be used in all learners in all ages. And why is it important to study TPR? It is important for us teachers to know TPR because it is our way of teaching students by showing facial expressions and body movement so that the student will understand well. For example, when we need to confirm where the student is listening or not, we would say, "Can you hear me?" Like that. We will use our hands and put it in our ear side and then, "Can you hear me?" Or another example is that, "Can you see me clearly?" Can you see me clearly? By using TPR, it will make your class more fun and more engaging. It will also make your class more interesting for the student. Another example is you can also give them high five, or good job, good job. You did well today. By clapping your hands, you did well today. So, in teaching, there are two types of TPR. The number one is the instructional TPR or the guiding or ordering TPR. And in guiding or ordering TPR or instructional TPR, we use gestures or we use hand gestures so that so the student will understand the meaning of a word or a sentence. For example, can you encircle your answer? Can you circle your answer? Like that. Another example is, can you draw a line? Can you draw a line? So like that. And sometimes when I want to hear the student answer, I will just say, can you say it? Can you say it? That's right. Very good. Just like that. And also another example is, can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? And can you see me well? Can you see me well? So those are the example of instructional TPR. The next TPR is educational TPR, or commonly known as the teaching and explaining TPR. There are 5 steps in educational TPR. First step is you need to prepare a word to teach. For example, I am going to teach them the word tiger. Tiger in a gesture is tiger, roar. Tiger, roar. Like that. So remember that. And the second step is the teaching modeling. Just like I did, I prepare the word tiger and I model it just like tiger, roar, tiger, roar, like that. So that is the tiger. The teacher will show it first and then I am using hand gestures and expressions to do it. And then the step 3 is we want the student to do it well or to do it also. So we would do it first and then afterwards let the student do it also. Like this. I will do it first, my student, and then after I do it, you will do it. Tiger, roar. Tiger, roar. Like that. So in step number 4, we would like the student to participate also in the discussion so that we would let them also do our our lessons like that. Tiger, roar. So, can you do it? Very good. You did a great job. That is already called student participation. And in step 5, or the last step, it is the repetition and the practice step. We want them to really remember the word. So we want them to say the word at least 3 times, and then also the gestures and expressions in it. So like this: tiger, roar, tiger, roar, tiger, roar, like that. So it is really hard for us teacher to maintain our physical expressions and expressions, and also our emotions. But um, we would like to make sure that our TPR is easy to understand so that the student can follow it easy also. And I think that's all for today, and I see you in my next class. Bye!